Stahlin's new innovative mounting and support products, the weight distribution shelf and side panel, are designed for use with polycarbonate enclosures to add installation flexibility, increase mounting space, and provide solutions for installation of heavy components in non-metallic enclosures. The weight distribution shelf reduces the potential of bottom wall deflection when installing heavy equipment, battery, or power supply, offering rugged support and durability. The PC side panel, constructed from aluminum, allows for mounting of components on enclosure walls, reducing the need to increase the enclosure size to accommodate additional components. Both of Stahlin's new interior mounting solutions have an easy-to-use design that utilizes the polycarbonate enclosure's existing T-slot and slot nuts to lock into place, saving installation time and providing secure support. For more information or to add to your next bill of materials, visit www.stahlin.com.